Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to get these press-on nails that I have right now. This video is sponsored by Alldashing. They are a press-on nail company. They have a bunch of different styles of press-on nails. I'm going to show you 3 and then I chose this one to put on and I'm so excited. Most of their press-on nails are $9.99. Some of them are $12.99, but I think that's pretty much the most expensive it goes. I don't think it goes more expensive than that. They also have press-on toenails, which is very interesting to me. I've never tried them before, but I'm really intrigued by that. I do have a coupon code as well that can save you an additional percent off your order. I think it's buy one get one 50% off. I'll leave it right here. I won't make a commission off of that sale. It's just a coupon code for my followers, but this video is sponsored by them, so I am getting paid to promote them. But these are super cute and I'm super excited to show you how I did these nails and quarantine things, right? I still haven't really gone to the salon. I went once before my vacation because I was like, I gotta get them professionally done, but this is so easy to do and in a pinch, why not? They're super cute. But yeah, before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. I don't know why I almost forgot like what I was saying. My upload schedule is a little crazy right now, but I'm gonna get it on track soon. I've just been working on a few different projects. If you want to see how I got these nails, how to do press on nails, then just keep on watching. So Alldashing has sent over 3 different styles of nails and I'm so excited to show you guys what they sent over. I did choose this one. I totally thought they were pineapples, I'm not even gonna lie. If you look at this, I don't know what the heck that is, but it looks like a pineapple, right? But it's not a pineapple. But I was like, oh my god, such a vibe. I could wear my pineapple shirt even though it's blue, but blue and green match, and I was gonna wear like my pineapple shirt and be all cute and matching and do a pineapple look for Instagram like this. Whatever. It didn't work out, but I like, oh my gosh, like look at how cute. Like it still turned out super cute. I think they're pears and lemons. When they contacted me and asked me to choose 3 different pairs, I was like, I had a hard time choosing which ones I liked because they have so many cute styles. But look at this one. This is so cute, but it looks like a daisy to be honest, but orange is such a vibe right now. I almost went with this one instead, but I had just done an orange. Man, this would have looked so cute. It looks so cute with that Instagram post. I'll put a picture right here so you guys can see that post. It was literally this kind of flower, like a daisy. I don't think it was orange though. Did I do yellow in the middle? I think I did yellow in the middle, but it's okay. But it was an orange look. Like I used the orangey glad from ColourPop and it looks so good. But look at these. They're so pretty. Like I love the color. And then of course I had to get my leopard print because I love leopard print. It's my favorite in the world, and I love these 2 colors. I feel like this is such a fall vibe. Like I'm definitely gonna rock these in the fall. So far, this is the next day after I applied them. I'm gonna insert the clip of me applying them obviously later on in the video, but this is the next day and they are lasting so long. I need to leave in 15 minutes and I'm about to go do some physical labor and we'll see how they last, but I'm pretty sure they will because they're pretty strong. What I like about them, and you'll see when I'm applying them, is that they come already pre-made. So it's like a tape that you just peel off and you put on your nail, and like that's it. Like it's super easy. There's no nail glue, so it's no damage to the nail. These are all super affordable. I believe all 3 of these are $9.99. I don't know if some of the styles are $12.99, but I think that's as expensive as it gets. I don't think it gets any more expensive than that. I just think that they're very affordable and they're a great price and they're great quality. In each box you get 30 different pieces of nails with 6 different sizes, so you get to choose and see which ones fit your nail the best. And I have really small nail beds, like tiny nail beds, because I have small hands. Like I have really tiny hands, and I found my size just fine. I really like that it comes with extra tape in each kit. It also comes with a little nail file, a little cuticle pusher as well, like a little wooden stick to push your cuticles back, and it also comes with an alcohol wipe, or like just to prep the nail to make sure. I will show you exactly how I prepped my nail and how I put them on in a second. So no glue means no nail damage, which is amazing. They're super thin, so they're flexible and they're easy to transform. Like you can shape them to whatever you want, and they're really comfortable as well. The best thing is that they're waterproof, so you can go swimming with them, you can take a shower with them, and they're gonna be fine. I do have a coupon code, like I said. I'll leave it right here so it can save you an additional percentage. It's buy one get one 50% off, I'm pretty sure. But these are such a vibe. Like I still haven't really gone to get my nails done, like I said, and I'll probably be rocking these for a little bit. And I don't know, I'm still trying to learn how to do my own nails, like polygel and stuff, but this is such a cute little look. I'm obsessed with these colors as well. These are super cute, and now I'm gonna go ahead and play the clip of me putting them on. I'll probably do a little voiceover just kind of like telling you exactly what I'm doing at the moment, but yeah, let's get into that.
Okay, so I've shown these like 100 times, but these are the nails. I love them so much, and I love that it has the instructions like on the packaging. It's so cool. And like I said, it comes with 30 different nails, 6 different sizes. It has extra stickers, the alcohol wipes, and the little cuticle pusher, and another little nail file. But I decided to use my own nail file because it has a little bit more of a coarse side to it, and I'm just like filing down all my nails, as you can see. But I decided to try out the one that came in the kit, and it's actually not that bad. It's really great that it comes with it, and it's just like an all-in-one kit. It's amazing. And as you can see, my nails are dead because I've tried to do polygel so many times, so just ignore the way they look. They are dead. But I am also pushing back my cuticles, and yeah, you can use this wooden stick. I have a better cuticle pusher, and honestly, to do an even better job, you might want to soak your fingers for a little bit as well, kind of like you would do getting a normal manicure. It'll help just push back the cuticles a little bit better. Now I am picking out my nail, and what I suggest to do is to go bigger rather than go smaller, because you could always file down your nail rather than picking a size that's too small. You can always get lifting with that. Now I'm just wiping down my nails using the alcohol wipe. I think it's an alcohol wipe, I'm not sure. And as you just saw, it is so easy to put these nails on. All you have to do is peel back the tape and hold it down for 15 seconds. For this hand, I didn't do such a good job getting it lined up with the cuticle. What I recommend doing is pushing it all the way, like from the base of the cuticle, and pushing it down, making sure that it's like all the way down before pressing it down for 15 seconds, if that makes sense. But it's super easy to do, and it literally took me like 20 minutes to do both of these hands. It's so easy, and I just got the hang of it by the second hand, and now I'm like a pro. It's so easy to do, trust me.
Alright guys, so these are the final nails. I'm really impressed. This is actually the next day after I put them on, and everything has stayed on. Honestly, I am so like clumsy, and my nails break, my regular acrylics break all the time. So I'm like surprised that these have lasted so far. I think they will last longer. Like, I'm not a huge fan of the shape. I probably would shape these to be more square, even if that makes them a little shorter, because I just generally like square shaped nails. But to be honest, this is kind of a vibe, so I'm leaving them like this for now. I think with the other sets that I have, I might try to make them square, but this is such a great thing if you're in a hurry. Like, you just press them on. It was so easy. I literally did it in like 10 minutes, both hands. I was so impressed with how quickly I was able to put them on, and I just think that they look super cute. They have a bunch of different designs, they're super affordable, and they don't mess up your nails, which is the most important thing in the world. So yeah, I really like this set. I think they're super cute, even though I thought they were pineapples. I'm not gonna lie, they're actually pears and lemons, I think. I mean, it's a fruit and it's summery, and I'm living for it. And honestly, I would totally buy like all of the sets. I don't know, like they're all so cute. I wanted all of them. So yeah, you can use my code. I'll leave it right here so you guys can get an additional percentage off. I think it's buy one get one 50% off, which they're already really affordable, so that makes it super affordable, obviously. So yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think of this set. Which one of the 3 was your favorite, because I did show them all. Let me know in the comments. I would love to know. And are you planning on purchasing these, because these are they're so cute and they're so easy to use, so just use them, right? But yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out so much. I also hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.